So in GP, we know that if we have something like this, we have to first of all get the common ratio of the term. Okay, the first term, which is T1, and that is also A, and the A, which is the first term, is also 1 number 1 over 3, which is also 4 over 3, literally 4 over 3. Okay, so and the T2, obviously we're having T2 to be 8 over 9, which I think is also 8 over 9 because it cannot be broken down. Okay, so then okay, then the T3, as you can see here, which is the third term, 16 over 27. So we have the first, second, and third term. And for us to get the common ratio, you know that it is T2 over T1 equals to T3 over T2. Literally, there is no need for us to do this T3 over T2 again, as usual. But just for us to confirm this, okay? For us to confirm this, we have to do this. So T2 over T3, as we can see, we have 8. T2 here is 8 over 9 all over T1, which we said is 4 over 3. Then the T3 is 16 over 27. Then the T2 is 8 over 9. Alright, so since this is in fraction and supposed to be in, yes, since it's not whole number, it's a fraction. So for us to make it easier for solving, we have 8 over 9, which is the same thing, divide by 4 over 3. Yes. Then which is equal to 16 over 27 divided by 8 over 9. So this is same illustration as this. Okay, so we'll know that the first stage is to literally convert this division into multiplication. In order for us to get our common ratio, remember we're working on the common ratio in this case. So we have 8 over 9. There will be an infraction. So 3 over 4, 16 over 27 times 9 over 8. So that's the next step. So you should know that this kind of maths, you should follow step by step, and you should not be fast. Okay, so why for some people they might decide to start multiplying direct, then from there they get the simplest fraction, while others will start cancelling out from here, which definitely they can cancel themselves inversely. you know. So if it's for me, think cancel out, or I don't know which one is preferable, but for me I would want to cancel out. So when I cancel out this, um, 3 can go into 9 in this case. So 3 here is 1, and 3 here is 3. 4 here is 1, and 4 here is 2. So literally here is 2 over 3. And which is equal to, here can go into here as well. Here's 1, and here is 3 as well. Then here is 1, and here is 2. So that's 2 times 8 is 16. So we still have to, so literally our common ratio is obviously 2 over 3. So that's what we'll be working with. I believe you should also remember that what we are using for the GP formula, you know that the GP formula is Tn, right? Tn is equals to ARN minus 1, right? So that's what we are using. So we have gotten the common ratio. We know the first. So what they are telling us to find now is this n here. Okay, that is the number of 10. They have given us the last 10. Okay, so what is the last 10 again? They give us the last 10, 5126561, right? That's the last 10, which is the Tn. The Tn is the last 10. Okay, while the n is the number of 10. So the first term was given to us to be 4 over 3, right? 4 over 3. So that is 4 over 3 times the common ratio, which is 2 over 3. You know, or in brackets and minus 1. So literally when this is crossing to this side, is going to turn into a division, right? Because this is already a multiplication here, so it's going to turn into a division. So we have 5126561 divided by 4 over 3, which equals to 2 over 3 and minus 1. Okay, so then this division as usual is going to turn into multiplication, which will cause an inverse, right? So you still have to go with it, then times 3 over 4. Okay, so we're still working. So if we continue here now, say here, cancel out, right? When this cancels this, we have I think 6561 can go into 3, right? To give us 2187. Give us 2187. Then 4 can go into 512, right? So 512, right? we have 1 to 8. Okay, this is it. So that is this. We have 1 to 8, then we have 2 1 8 7, something like that. So which is equal to 2 over, you know. So since in this case it's dealing with power, okay. So I think at this case 2 raised to power 7 all over 3 raised to power 7 is equal to 2 over 3 and minus 1, right? So which will literally mean that 2 over 3 all raised to power of 7 is equals to 2 over 3 and minus 1. So this, we go with this, right? So we have n minus 1 standing, which will make n equals to 7 plus 1, right? So we have 8 equals to n. So that should say that the eighth term, if n is equals to 8, so the eighth term will give us is 512 over 661. So if you want to replay the video in order for you to get what is, in order for you to get the explanation again, you can do. Okay, that's how simple it is.